Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to open Eureka Crystal Beads January 2025 collection. So the first one of this new year. So Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you had a wonderful New Year's. And we're going to take a look at these beads. But for those of you who aren't familiar with this is not a subscription. It is a beautifully curated collection of beads, stones, findings, all kinds of beading goodies that Eureka Crystal Beads offers on their website, generally monthly. Sometimes they skip a month or so, but it's there, and they have other collections that are available as well, so you can take a look, see if you like it. So if you're not a subscription person, then this is for you. All right, so let's get a look at the beads. Okay, so I've taken it out of the bag, and I'll just go from start to finish with those, for those of you who haven't seen it, so you get it wrapped in beautiful tissue. I opened it because I can never hold anything. If I can open it, I'm going to open it. Sometimes I like to open it completely on camera, but I don't often, I can't often wait. So here we go. Here's our tissue. Here's our package. And I haven't looked at the beads closely, but I did take a look at, I just looked inside. So here we go. Look at that theme. Look at that old car. That's cool. So let me pull everything out of the bag, and then we'll go through things out of the bag. And here's the picture. And this collection is called the Vintage Dreams Collection. So first, you get your picture, your inspiration photo, and then here's the list of all the beads. And on the back, it gives you a little inspiration paragraph about the wind in your hair, your favorite beat echoing in your ears, and a sunset ablaze with colors stretching across the horizon. So you're in your cool car and you're just driving along. Isn't that pretty? I love these colors. And here we go. Here's our list. So everything is here, and it has its own category. So seed beads, Czech glass beads, Krakowski crystal, elite crystal, Preciosa crystal, and findings. Here's the their SKU number. So this item is identified by this number. So you can just type this into their search bar. Let's say you want to order some more beads, and that will come up. So very easy to navigate. I think there is free shipping, yes, over free US shipping over $39.99. All right, so let's pull some of the beads out of the tubes. So here we go, and we'll look at them individually. Let's look at the seed beads first. So we've got a Toho 15, and this is a 2.5-inch tube, which is, I think it's 8 to 9 grams. And this color is transparent rainbow frosted teal. So I'll pull close in so you can see the color. Beautiful. So saturated. I love these really saturated deep colors. Next up we have a Toho 11, and this is called opaque orange. And again, you get an 8 to 9 gram tube. That's looking fluorescent. It is quite orange. Sometimes my camera shows it more like deep yellow, but that's really quite orangey. Okay, next up we have a Toho 80, and this is opaque frosted pine green. Again, an 8 to 9 gram tube. Vibrant. Okay, next up we have a Toho Treasure, which is like a delica or a cylinder bead. 2.5-inch tube again. And this is bubblegum lined light amethyst rainbow. Okay, next up we have this gorgeous Miyuki seed bead. Look at that color. Now I looked up, I have the number here. The number is of course on the list, and I was so curious as to what it was. So I think this is it. I think it's one of the Czech coatings, those custom coatings, and it's called Crystal Slipperit. Now don't quote me on that, but I believe that's what it is. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Every color in the rainbow. That's beautiful. Next up we have another Miyuki. This is an assorted seed bead mix. You get 2.5-inch tube, and you've got pinks, and you've got a little bugle bead in there. Pink, there's sort of a copper, there's a little bit of like transparent orange. That's gorgeous. And a metallic, there's a little metallic pink in there. So that's a really pretty mix. So just to give you a look at all our seed beads. So we have 6 gorgeous colors and shapes and finishes. So absolutely beautiful. So let's move on to the Czech glass beads. Next up we have some Czech fire polish beads. We've got a 2mm, a 3mm, and a 4mm. You get 50 beads to the strand, I believe, yes. And the colors are the 2mm suede, gold, orchid. I love that pink. Isn't that pretty? And then we've got, with the 3mm, We've got Saturated Metallic Island Paradise, gorgeous. And look at this gorgeous silver. This is just silver. So really beautiful. Love that there are 3 different sizes. Gorgeous. This beautiful Super Duo. So we've got a Super Duo in Mirror Hot Pink. And this is an 8 to 9 gram tube. Look at that. That's beautiful. Talk about just absolutely neon gorgeous, shiny. Okay, next up we've got some, these are cabochon beads. So these are beautiful 2 holes, and they're cabochon, so they're flat on one side and rounded on the other. And these are beautiful. They're 7mm, and they are in the color, it says color trend. So it's a color trend color with a ring bead, and this is a 1x4mm 2.5 inch tube. And my camera, you know, my lights are kind of going a little crazy because it's so shiny. Shiny silver. Beautiful. So we have these beautiful Krakowski crystal pearls. These are 6mm, strand of 65. And this is beautiful, like shiny peach color. They really glow. Next up we have the Elite Crystal, and this is Eureka Crystal Beads, Austrian crystal brand, and it is stunning. So they come all in separate bags, but I just put them all together so you can see what they look like together. Look how pretty these colors look. So beautiful with the rest of the beads. So we've got some 4 8mm chatons. Look at that gorgeous color. I don't know the actual color names. And then we have this 2 of these 12mm rivulets, and I love that. It's got like a deep green. But look at the sparkle on them, and look at this guy. This is a 13 by 18mm oval fancy stone, and that is again another gorgeous color. Look at that. These are stunning. They're like Swarovski. They're just as beautiful. Next up we have Preciosa crystal, and this is their bicone mix, and this is a 4mm mix, pack of 72, and I love Preciosa crystal bicones. They're so stunning. Preciosa beads are stunning. Just all of their beads are beautiful, but look at the gorgeous mix that goes so beautifully with all the other beads. Look at the sparkle. That is gorgeous. Next we've got some findings, and we have Gleamcraft magnetic rectangular clasp with 2 rings, 16 by 5mm. That's this guy. Really pretty. I think it might open. Oh, it's magnetic, so it probably slides open. So really nice. And look at this tube bar clasp. I love these. I haven't used these in so long. So they're a slide tube clasp with bar loops, 26.5mm. So love those. These are great for wrapping, you know, some flat peyote around and zipping it up. I love that. Then we've got some ear wires. These are round with 2mm ball, 25mm. You get 2 pair, excuse me. So I've got 2 pair there. Just wanted to show you on the magnetic clasp. It doesn't slide. It comes apart. You just like put your nail in, and it took me a while to get it apart. So really good quality. So you can tell that magnet's gonna hold. So there you go. That's what it looks like when you take it apart. Last couple of items. We have some jump rings. So 4mm 22 gauge, pack of 20. That's always nice to have. And then we've got this beautiful mini charm. It is a crystal birthstone charm, 6mm. You get 5 of them, and that is emerald for the month of May. My twins were born in May. So here you go. Here's everything. This is your January 2025 Eureka Crystal Beads Vintage Dreams collection. Really, really pretty, vibrant colors. I'll put a link in the description box below the video to this collection, to the collection page. There are other collections that are still available. They're all gorgeous. So I want to thank you so much for being here. Happy New Year. I can't wait for us to keep beading all year long. All right, take care. See you soon.